Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Coordinificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Cardigan by YUNGBLOOD, the version by YUNGBLOOD. It's a Taylor Swift cover from the live lounge. Okay, so for this song, we're putting our cap on fret number 1, and we're playing for the verse, we're playing D, E minor, and then G, alright? Vintage tees, brand new songs. Right, that's just D, E minor, G, okay? And then we go on to okay, so then we play A for that pre-chorus. It's na, 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 na. That's just A major to G. Right, now if you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using, you can check out my chord video. It is a detailed illustration of the chords, so you can go learn them there and then come back to this video for the progressions. But going on with the song. Dancing in the Levi's, dancing in the sea lights. So the chords for the chorus are the same with the ones from your verse. Dancing in the rooms. It's just the same chords, guys. So yeah. It kind of changes the chords just at the end of the chorus to play. Hold on, I need to get that chord. And when I felt like I wasn't home. Okay, so here we're playing the B minor chord, right? Which can be played as 0, 2, 0, 2, 3, 0, right? And when I felt like I was to A to G. Okay? Let's do that again. D minor 7, A major, G. That's your and when I felt like I wasn't on Cardigan. So the strumming pattern is just basically down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Sorry, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. And that's pretty much it. And you can, I feel like it sounds better when you're just picking the chords. So that since you know, is the usual chords that we used on the chorus and the verse. That's pretty much the whole song, guys. Do let me know any other songs that you need me to check out. I know the request for Bryson Tyler, and I figured the song is not played in standard tuning. Actually, it's not really a tone. It's probably like a semitone tuning, like maybe C sharp instead of C, or like D sharp instead of D. Right, so I'll need to down tune my guitar to do that tutorial, but I'll work on it. Otherwise, that's been it, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and leave a like and share the video if it helps you. There's this funny yeah going on, so let me just check it out. Let me just check that out. Hold on. That's A to G. Alright, so that's been it, guys.